Hello everyone. Today's subject is Engineering Geology, Module 2nd. Topic is Classification of Igneous Rock. Before going to learn classification of igneous rock, you must watch Origin of Igneous Rock. Classification of igneous rock based on first type is a mineral composition. For this, we have to consider only two minerals, quartz and feldspar. See, the first classification is based on quartz. That classifications are acidic rock and basic rock. If rock contain abundant mineral called 60% and FeMg mineral are said to be acidic. It means what? If rock contain more than 60% quartz, then that rock will be called as acidic rock. Then next is a basic rock. If rock doesn't contain quartz but dominantly contain pyroxene, amphibole, feldspar is said to be basic rock. Acidic and basic rock classification we can identify by naked eyes too. How? See, quartz is very transparent and light mineral. If it contain more amount in rock, then rock will be appear in a very light color. Light color mineral rock appear in very light color. So light color rock called as acidic rock. Pyroxene, amphibole and feldspar are very dark color minerals. So if this kind of mineral present in rock and there is no quartz present, then it means rock appear in very dark color. Then this called as basic rock. So this classification we can identify by naked eyes too. Then next classification is based on the feldspar content. Basically there are two type of feldspar. Potassium sodium feldspar is one and plagioclase another feldspar. If rock contain potassium sodium feldspar such as orthoclase, microcline and sanidine, then this is called as alkali rock. If rock contain plagioclase feldspar, then that called as alkali rock. But this classification we cannot identify by naked eyes or cannot write by identify by. But this classification we cannot write by using your by identify naked eyes. For this classification we have to learn thin section of rock under the microscope and then identify their composition. On basis of that composition we can and write down. Then next is a classification based on depth formation. Depth of formation. We know that igneous rock is formed by cooling or crystallization by magma or lava. Basically magma and lava both are same. Magma, which is molten material present below the earth's surface, and when it comes on the earth's surface, then it's called as lava. Basically magma and lava cool and form solid substance and form igneous rock. If rock form near to magma chamber, then this is called as plutonic rock. If rock form surface and magma chamber in between, then this is called as hypavessel rock. If rock form on earth surface, then it is called as volcanic rock. See again, if rock form near to magma chamber, then this is called as plutonic rock. If rock form on the surface, then this is called as volcanic rock. If rock form between magma chamber and surface, then this is called as hypavessel rock. See the next classification based on color index. Color of rock is depend upon its mineral content. So on basis of color we can classify the rock like leucocratic, melanocratic and mesocratic. See, if rock contain light color mineral, then it is said to be leucocratic rock. If rock contain dark color mineral, then it is said to be melanocratic. If rock contain intermediate color mineral, then it is mesocratic. So remember, leucocratic, melanocratic and meso. Leuco light color, M for dark color and meso for intermediate color. Then again two type of classification, mafic mineral and felsic mineral. Dark color mineral called as mafic mineral like pyroxene, amphibole, And light color mineral called as felsic mineral, like feldspars, quartz. These are light color mineral. These are the classification based on the color index. Then next see here type: plutonic at depth formation, hypabasal intermediate formation, and volcanic surface formation. These are three main type of formation. And then next alkali, alkali, and acidic, intermediate, and basic. See, acidic means light color mineral composition, basic means dark color, intermediate means in between mineral composition. Alkali and Kal alkali. Alkali means consists sanidine microcline. Kal alkali means rock consists plagioclase. Remember that. On the basis of that, see which are the plutonic rock: granite, syenite, diorite, gabbro. Granite. How you write the classification? Granite, it is plutonic rock, alkali and acidic type. Then syenite, plutonic, alkali composition and intermediate rock. Diorite, plutonic, calc-alkali, intermediate composition. Gabbro, plutonic, calc-alkali and basic rock. Similar hypabasal and volcanic. See, pigmentite, peatstone, trachyte, dolerite, obsidian, pumice, rhyolite, andesite, basalt. These are the volcanic rock. Basalt, which is common, you can see everywhere in a Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, we are living in Maharashtra. See, in Maharashtra, mostly hard and dark color rock present. This is called as basalt. See the next slide. This is the granite. See how we can classify this rock. See here in which is black color mineral present called as hornblende, and this white color mineral called as quartz, and this is pinkish color mineral called as feldspar. Some amount of mica also present, but we cannot identify here. But in hand specimen we can identify the mica too. So this is the mineral composition of this rock. But granite, we know that granite form at depth formation based on their grain size. See, your grain are equal and their grains are coarse. So large grain, so it is a plutonic at depth of the formation. So this is plutonic rock, and see this is very light color, so leucocratic, and acidic rock, light color. So color of this rock, sorry. See this line, this is granite. Granite is a plutonic rock, and see here this pinkish color or content of this rock is it's called as feldspar. This white color content called as quartz, and this blackish color content called as hornblende mineral. These are the composition of this rock. So how can we write the classification of this rock? First write color which is in light in color, so called as leucocratic. Then write mineral composition. Then mineral composition, hornblende, quartz, feldspars are present. Then this is macroscopical identification. We have to write microscopical identification through, and then classification. Plutonic, it is igneous rock, it is plutonic, and it is apparently a very light color, so it is acidic rock. So it happens at the acidic rock, it's contains feldspars, so it is alkali rock. For alkaline calc-alkali, we have to identify under the thin section of microscope, but I know granite consists alkali, so I can write alkali rock. And then next, identification of this mineral, we have to write like this. Thank you.